Hey there! Today's video is all about making money from the internet. We're diving into side gigs and online businesses that can bring in some serious cash. So, listen up and take it seriously. The best part is, it's super easy. We're talking about playing around with candy. No fancy skills required, and you can even do it with just your cell phone. Plus, it doesn't matter if you live in a village or a bustling city. It's all online. Before we get into the video, I want to address the newcomers to the YouTube world. If you think YouTube is difficult or you're just starting out, don't worry. I've got a playlist with all the essential videos you need to watch. From mindset and understanding Google AdSense to creating catchy titles and eye-catching thumbnails, we'll cover it all. Watch them in order and don't skip around. Trust me, it'll make things less confusing. I've also been sharing content ideas to inspire you. If you don't fit into a specific mold, don't worry. You can create unique content that resonates with your audience. The key here is consistency. It's not about beating the competition. It's about challenging yourself to stay committed and upload regularly. It won't be easy, but once you develop that discipline, things will get easier. Now, let's get back to the exciting part, the unique candy channel. I think this channel is really cool, and I hope it opens your eyes to the possibilities. Imagine being successful on YouTube and earning millions of dollars every month with just a simple concept and a bit of creativity. And here's the best part, you don't need fancy editing skills or anything like that. It's all about having fun with candy and toys. Before we dive deeper, I want to emphasize the importance of watching this content from start to finish. It's crucial to me that you understand the ins and outs of making money from digital assets. We'll cover mindset, Google AdSense, crafting compelling titles, creating eye-catching thumbnails, and more. Take it step by step and don't jump around. I don't want you to get confused. Now, let's talk about the income potential of this unique candy concept. Trust me, you can earn a lot. Who wouldn't want to make a substantial income in an easy and enjoyable way? But remember, it starts with challenging yourself and staying consistent. Once you've conquered yourself and strive for that consistency, making more money on the internet will become easier. Alright, let's go back to the unique candy channel. I'll calculate the potential income range and show you the amazing possibilities. I believe in you, and I know you'll watch this video because you want to earn a lot. And why wouldn't you? It's a great opportunity to make money effortlessly. Oh, by the way, let's check out the audience numbers from May. Can you believe it? He reached 3 million viewers in just 1 month. It's incredible. So, buckle up and get ready to explore the world of online success. The internet is filled with opportunities, and it's time for you to seize them. Let's get started. Now, let's give it a try. Let's do the calculations here. We'll focus on the smallest numbers. We'll count 37,000 views per day. First, let's divide it by 1,000 since it's RPM, revenue per 1,000 views. The result is 37. Now, let's multiply it by $1.15. The total is $55.5 per day. So, how many months is that? Multiply it by 30 for 1 month, and it's around $1,665 million every month. Now, let's talk about the potential income. Just imagine playing around with a camera, filming candy with your phone, and no need for extensive editing. On average, let's assume the average weekly views are around 270,000 views in May, with the lowest being 77,045 views per week or 11,000 views per day. You can do the calculations. For example, if it's 11,000 views per day divided 1,000, the result is 11. Assume RPM is $1.15, then you can multiply it 11 times $1.15. The result is it by $16.5 per day and $495 for the income in 1 month with the lowest viewer per day. Isn't that an incredible number? Do you really need to worry about finding content? Opportunities like this are everywhere, and you can benefit from them. Now, let's look at the channel's history. The longest video was uploaded 3 days ago, but you can see that within those 3 days, he got 2,700 views. The pattern continued for the next few months. He did start diligently uploading videos. You can see that every 2 or 3 days he has become more active, even uploading almost every day. So, it's not just him who can earn $1,665 per month from his YouTube channel organically. You can achieve something incredible as well. CPM and RPM aren't the only factors. For example, if you get a lot of views, the results can be remarkable. Let me show you an example of one of his videos, where the audience engagement is the highest. This will help you see how content like this can be created with just a smartphone in a narrow alley or rural area, and still generate an income of $1,665. It's something that most people wouldn't have expected. He is resourceful and has a strong passion for creating content. So, why hesitate? Even if you think, I don't have a camera, and I'm embarrassed to show my face, look at him. With limited tools and makeshift setups, he can earn more than $1,665 in May. Imagine what you can achieve. Don't miss out on this opportunity. The demand for content like this, especially for children, is substantial. There's no need to take it lightly. Get serious about building your channel and seize this opportunity. I'm sure all of you have also experienced a playful childhood, and now that you're all grown up, it's a great opportunity to reflect on those memories and turn them into a professional and online business that can be highly successful. But let me tell you, it's crucial to give it some serious thought. You need to be dedicated, passionate, and have a strong determination to thrive in the online world and earn a living. Forget about endlessly searching for money-making apps and websites. The real deal lies with Google. Trust me, Google knows what's up. Speaking of which, I have a hunch that some companies out there might be on the verge of bankruptcy, but that's just my assumption based on their current valuation. Although we can't predict the future, it seems YouTube and Google have a good chance of staying strong for a while longer. Now, let's talk about the fun part in neat candy videos. You don't have to be a master photo editor to create engaging thumbnails. Just organize your colorful photos neatly and let them do the talking. Granted, it does require some capital, but it's a one-time investment. And guess what? You don't need fancy dolls for your videos. If you already have them, great. Otherwise, borrow toys from your kids, nephews, or friends' children. Toy cars, trucks, or anything lying around can work. Make the most of what you have. Starting something new isn't instant. It requires learning from scratch. But don't be discouraged, especially if you're a beginner. Trust me when I say you can do it. Dive right in and tackle the toughest tasks first. Starting from zero can be intimidating, but it's all part of the learning process. And for those of you without a channel, here's my suggestion: gather 30 videos before creating one. It's a strategy that has proven successful for me. If you have any questions or ideas, don't hesitate to share them in the comments section. I'll be there to help, although my replies might be a bit lengthy. So, forgive me in advance. I hope you find inspiration here and enjoy the journey of creating content modestly but with determination. With a strong will, success is within reach. And hey, if you're ever stuck with your titles, you can take inspiration from what others are doing. You don't have to copy and paste them entirely, though. Add your own touch to make them more captivating. For instance, you can spice it up the title by adding something like "Let's Hunt UP Candy" or "Let's Hunt UP Candy, Hello Kitty, and Minion." And don't forget to jazz up your video descriptions and playlists too. Make sure to organize everything properly. If you follow my instructions here, you can compete with other channels. Take Unique Candy, for example. Believe me, if I had more free time, I would definitely work on channels like this because the opportunity and potential are immense. Unfortunately, my time is limited, and I already have 4 to 5 channels to take care of. Currently, only 3 of them are active, while the others have been neglected. I've only managed to upload a few videos due to time constraints. Creating this type of content requires leaving the house or making some preparations. That's alright for the first video. I hope it can be helpful and inspire you. Just get started, don't worry about failure. The key is to take the time for yourself, rather than getting caught up in hoax money-making applications. Building your digital assets will benefit you in the long run. Don't exhaust yourself, work hard, and deal with stress. It's all worth it because it's for your own life, not for someone else. Unlike those applications that claim to generate crypto funds, where you work for others and only receive minimal pay. If you want another tips how to make money online from selling digital products or affiliate marketing, you can go the playlists in this channel. And also I was collected my favorite tools you can find in the description down below. Okay, that's all for this video. Thank you.